Hey guys, welcome to WeCast. I'm JB3, the Lews Associate Brand Manager, and I'm talking to you about the all-new Speed Spool RX. So last year we introduced the brand new Speed Spool, so this year we took it up a notch. This year will be replacing the Tournament MP. So if you've been a big fan of the Tournament MP, this is definitely what you want. So we got an all-new redesigned frame, but we've also incorporated the Paramag RX braking system, which is a higher-end braking system that we reintroduced last year at ICAST. And so what we're starting to do is trickle down all our higher-end technology down into our lower price point reels. So you'll get an all-aluminum frame with a great braking system that once you dial this sucker in, you will have very minimum backlashes. We're talking about an 8 bearing system and 4 gear ratio. So 5, 6, 6, 8, 7, 5, and 8, 3. So if you're that old school guy that like to crank with a 5-speed, we got you covered. And then you can frog, flip, pitch, and everything in between with all the other gear ratios. So you're definitely gonna want to check out the all new Speed Spool RX because it's a reel that will last you a long time. And let me tell you, that sucker is bulletproof with that aluminum frame. So make sure you check these out.